guys, so my senior year of high school recently ended, and so I made some cards, and the one I'm going to show you today is the thank you card I made my econ teacher. So my general idea was to use the graphs that I learned in econ and find ones that look like the letters in the word thank you. And for the letters, I went with a green combo in the number 173 because I wanted it to stick out from the black pen that I'll be using later. Now I'm taking a black pen and I'm including some labelings and other detailings to make the card more interesting. First up, I have this perfect competition firm graph, so that includes the marginal cost curve and the marginal revenue curve. For the H, I have a production possibilities frontier, which includes capital on the x-axis and then consumer on the y-axis. And then I'm including 3 points for a recession, full usage of resources, and then an unattainable point. For the A, I have a supply and demand curve, as well as a binding price ceiling. With the price ceiling, I'm including the producer surplus, deadweight loss, and then consumer surplus. Next, for the N, I have a peak and trough graph, which shows when an economy is in an expansion or when it is in a recession. For the K, I have another supply and demand graph, but this time I'm including the long-run aggregate supply curve. And for the Y, I have the money market graph, so that includes money supply and money demand. For the O, I decided to go with a circular flow model, and so on the top I have the resource market. At the bottom, I have the product market. On the left, I have businesses. In the middle, I have the government. And then on the right, I have households. And I'm going to connect them all with arrows. After filming and everything, I realized I forgot to add arrows from businesses to the government and the government to the household. So don't forget to include all the arrows. And finally, for the U, I have the average total cost curve. Because some spots seemed a little lacking of pen, I decided to draw in some shifts on some of the curves. So we have a decrease in marginal cost, a decrease in money supply, and an increase in the average total cost.